Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chow, Dr. Eric Chow. Today I would like to talk about how to pick computer science school. And today our focus will be UC Santa Cruz. And UC Santa Cruz is a very good computer science school, and it is about actually top of the school in the nation. But in the UC 9 campus with undergraduate computer science program, it usually is ranked around number 6 to number 8, a range for computer science program. We picked this school as the second school for the UC review because it is a very interesting school, and let's look at it. So first, we still need to, our focus will be on the factors that determine you to pick a computer science school, like including the ranking, including the general ranking and computer science professional ranking, and also the location, the focus of the program, the faculty size, the curriculum design, and the students' graduation outcome. So first, the general ranking. UC Santa Cruz is ranked at 84. He was on around maybe 45 to 60 a couple of years ago, but now recently it dropped even lower than Merced. But in general, people will pick Santa Cruz over Merced so far. But the ranking national-wise is a little bit dropping right now. I think that there are a few reasons for it to drop. Number one, it doesn't have enough dorm for students. Number two, this school's security, safety is actually a concern for some parents. But overall, their computer science program is not bad. First, let's look at the professional ranking. For undergraduate computer science program, 2024, it was ranked as 56. And then 2025, it was ranked at 52. So on average, it's actually a school between 45 to 60. And the program that had in the same tier is the Indiana University of Bloomington, Stony Brook, Riverside, okay, and other schools. So for its specialty is in the game design, and the computer science and game design is number 5 nationally, and then game simulation is number 5, and game design is number 9. Game design, this usually is talking about a user interface and arts, computer arts. And this one is a game engine design. So it is a very strong game design program. In the graduate school, the ranking is higher. It's a tie at 50, tie with Dartmouth, NC State Ready, and Rochester, and Vanderbilt. Okay, these schools are all very good schools. Okay, UC Santa Cruz is located at the township of the Santa Cruz, just about 3 miles away from the downtown. So it's very close to the beach. And it is also very close to the big basin, Redwoods State Park, so the campus is very pretty. And if you come from the South Bay, the Cupertino, Saratoga area, go to Santa Cruz, it's about 30 miles away from it. You go 880 south and you're connected to 17, and you go all the way to UC Santa Cruz. And it is close to Silicon Valley, so just half an hour away from the Silicon Valley. So there are a lot of company around here. And nearby, just about 3-5 miles away, there's a Scott Valley. There is also a technical area, technical park area, and there are a few companies over there. And UC Santa Cruz campus is very close to the redwood, so you can see that on campus, the campus is an open area in the mountain, and the school is not very big, so you are kind of having a lot of classes in a state park or national parks. So very pretty school. Okay. And the campus is located 3 miles away from the downtown city. This is good or bad. The good thing is that it's not far from the beach. Bad thing is that it is still some distance from the downtown. So the school on campus dorm or the housing is not enough. So some students live in the downtown area. But the traffic still not easy, especially that in the rainy days, the road may be muddy and not so easy. Okay, not so easy. So actually, a lot of people don't like to go to this campus because of the traffic and housing issues. So it's focuses on game design, and their game design program is top 5 of the nation. Okay, very good program. And in the past, its EE department is also very strong. So in computer science, its EDA program is also not bad, and they are very close to the Silicon Valley. So the chance, their opportunity to get the internship is also very good. So the major, they offer computer science major, computer science in BA major, and they also offer computer engineering major. And the computer science BS degree for computer science, sometimes you can also see it as a BS CSE degree. Okay. And they also have a computer game design program. This one, as I say, is basically more focused on arts than CS program. And they also have a network and digital technology and robotics. Robotics is kind of a sub-program for computer engineering. And this digital technology is kind of a sub-program for game art. So primarily, you look at the BS degree or CSE program and BA degree, and also game design degree. These are 3 major branches in their computer science program. They do not offer too many minors. So when you choose, you basically choose on these 3 majors. Their computer science program has around 40 faculties, so the school is small. Santa Cruz is actually have more faculty than Davis, but less than San Jose State. Roughly the same as UCLA. Okay, that's about the size comparison. Compared to Irvine, this is less than Irvine, less than UC San Diego. Okay, if you go for the BS degree, you can consider this as a CSE program. 2 semesters of the calculus, and you need to take calculus 3, vector calculus or multivariable calculus, discrete math. Okay, 2 semesters for Python. 2 quarters for Python, 2 quarters for assembly and the C language. And then 1 semester for linear algebra. Then you finish your undergraduate, your lower division, and then you take your DSA, data structure and algorithm course. Okay, after that, these are the basic lower division training. After that, you take the higher division of computer architecture, algorithm, and system design. This is operation system and the programming language. These courses are required for the computer science core for master degree, and probability is also. And then the elective is only 4 courses. The problem with this program is like they have only 36 courses because each course is 5 units. So if you have 180 to graduate, then it's only 36 courses. Compared to UC Irvine, they have 180 quarter point, and each course is 4 units. So you will have 45 courses. It actually has 9 more for UC Irvine. So the problem is that if you finish everything in this BS degree, compared to UC Berkeley probably only 2 years to 3 years, you can finish the same thing. Especially that UC Berkeley's students usually come in with more AP credits. And there's another problem for this program is like they used to teach C and Java in the beginning programming. Okay, this Python 1 and Python 2 used to be C, Java. And then when they go to the data structure, they teach C++ or C. But now they actually change the introductory course to Python. So when you go to the data structure, you will have trouble to connect to the C++. Besides, their probability is not taken in the lower division. That's another problem. And they have quite many elective courses, but as I say, the elective that you really can take is very few because of the number of hours that you can take. And then if you take the so-called BA degree, the program is pretty much similar, almost the same, except that you do not take the vector calculus. The calculus 3, you don't take it. And then you don't, the linear algebra is optional. And then same, you take the Python 2 semester and connect it to C++ data structure here. After the data structure is all elective. So basically, there are 2 possibilities. One possibility, you still take the CS core, and then your degree is very similar to the BS CS degree. Or you take more of the statistics, and then you become more like a data science degree. Or you take more game design, and then you become CS with game elective. So this BA degree is more flexible, but less technical. But in reality, that you actually 2 program the BS degree, BS CS degree, and the BA CS degree. In principle, the difference is very few. Only the BA degree provide some more paths to go to other kind of the major. Okay, even though you get the same degree, but you can take the courses in different flavor. Okay, the elective is the same. We don't repeat that. And then here, this one is the data structure course. They require C++, and there are a lot of prerequisite courses that you need to finish before you can take it. And you can take the Python version of it. If you take this Python option, then you will have Python 1, Python 2, Python 3, like UC Irvine, but you do not have C++, you do not have Java. So if you go for this route, you pretty much go for data science option. If you want to go to the game elective, then you still need to take this one with the CC double plus. Or if you want to go for engineering, it's still suggested to do that. So their curriculum design is a little bit bizarre, especially for this BS degree. I believe that the choice of using Python in this is a question. Or they should also provide C double plus 1, 2. But they didn't. Okay. The other course, this algorithm course, they are also 5-unit course. Their courses are usually 5 units. So compared with UC Irvine, I will have more course for the same quarters, for the same number of quarter units. Each course, UC Santa Cruz is 5 credit unit and UC Irvine is 4, but they are almost of the same strengths. And then UC Irvine, you can take more courses. And if you take the game design degree, you finish calculus 1, 2, and then Python 1, 2, and then you finish 101 CS E 101 for the data structure. After that, you are kind of no requirement for CS, you purely on the game design. So you will take the game as the technical culture, video game as a visual culture, foundation of video game design, game development experience, game development patterns, game system, user interface. So basically, you can only take CS course in the elective. And also when you try to register for the course, the BS game degree would have lower priority compared to the BACS or BSCS degree. So it's harder for the game design student to get those courses. So we do not, even if you want to study game design in UC Santa Cruz, we don't recommend this program. Instead, you should go for computer science, maybe BA degree, and then you pick courses as elective or a C computer game elective. And then you can get all of the game design course just like the game degree. And or from the computer science engineering in the elective, you can select it as a CS course from here as well. Okay, but one more thing is that the computer science program in Santa Cruz, you need to claim major. So first, you must admit it as the computer science when you apply their program. Second, your GPA must pass 3.0 to claim the major. This doesn't look like high, but their failure rate is very high for their courses. And the student usually go to Bay Area to find a job, including Google, Apple, Amazon. And their nursing program is good, so some students will go to Kaiser Permanente as the nursing. And then some students go on to graduate school, so they may become a TA or RA in UC Santa Cruz. And this, when you compare when students choose a school for San Jose State and UC Santa Cruz, people prefer Santa Cruz more because it still is a UC campus. But if you only compare computer science, I would say more people will choose San Jose State over UC Santa Cruz in computer science program. Okay, thank you. Bye now.